Welcome to today's video. Today we'll be diving into the exciting world of DeFi app development. DeFi, that is decentralized finance, refers to the use of blockchain technology and smart contracts to create a decentralized financial ecosystem. It enables users to access financial services without the need for intermediaries, such as banks. It has emerged as a groundbreaking technology that is transforming the traditional financial landscape. Now, let's delve into the features and benefits of DeFi apps. DeFi apps offer a wide range of features, including decentralized lending and borrowing, decentralized exchanges, yield farming, staking, and much more. These apps provide users with greater control over their funds, increased transparency, and the ability to earn passive income through various investment opportunities. The DeFi market has experienced exponential growth in recent years. According to recent reports, the total value locked in DeFi protocols has surpassed billions of dollars, highlighting the immense revenue potential. Let's take a look at the global data surrounding DeFi. The adoption of DeFi apps is not limited to a specific region but has gained traction worldwide. Countries like the United States, China, and several European nations have seen significant growth in DeFi adoption. This global appeal presents a vast user base and market potential for your DeFi app. Now, let's discuss some essential things to know when building a DeFi app. Firstly, you need to have a strong understanding of blockchain technology, smart contracts, and programming languages such as Solidity. Additionally, it's crucial to research and comply with the regulatory requirements in your target market. Finally, let's go through the steps involved in building a DeFi app. Firstly, identify the problem you aim to solve with your app. Conduct thorough market research to understand user needs and identify any gaps in existing DeFi solutions. Next, design a user-friendly interface and define the core functionalities of your app. Once the design is complete, you can start developing the app. This involves writing smart contracts, integrating blockchain protocols, and implementing security measures. Test the app extensively to identify and fix any bugs or vulnerabilities. Finally, launch your app, promote it through marketing and community engagement. Building a DeFi app requires careful planning, technical expertise, and an understanding of the market and user needs. If you're interested in building your own DeFi app, you can reach out to us. And for more updates, please follow our channel.